Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we'll be drawing Ash Ketchum, which is basically a Pokemon trainer. So yeah, I already sketched the pencil part. Now we'll be outlining it with black pen. So let's start. Starting with his hands. We'll be drawing a curve here. And another one. So yeah guys, my Pokemon videos are going viral. So I decided to draw this Pokemon trainer, which is Ash. So yeah, we'll just draw this running line here. So yeah, we are just designing its costume now. And one here. So yeah, what have you done here? You just have to copy it right here. And line here, one more line here for its neck. Detailing is important. So yeah, basically he's just wearing a shirt, and upon it he is wearing a jacket. So yeah, as it's a Pokemon trainer, I'm gonna draw it a keychain, a Pokeball keychain. Here it is. So yeah, only face is remaining. Face and its hat and its hair. That's all. So starting with its chin, you have to draw a slanting line here, going upwards, and then just make a point, and then like the chin and all. So it will be easy for you. And stuff, these are his teeth. Okay, let's just make it a bit smaller. Okay, I'm gonna fill this up inside later. And its cap. Although it looks good, and some design here for its head, I mean cap, whatever. And yeah, a little bit of detail. Something like that. And so yeah, as the detailing is over, let's just move on to its hairs. Right here, we have to draw a curve here, and another one, that here. And then his eyebrows, again like that. Same to the right side. And now its eyes, his eyes. So we have to be very careful drawing inside his eyes. I wonder how it's gonna look when it's done. So yeah, moving to its hairs. Something like that. So yeah, only one part remaining, which is his hairs and the Phillips. That's all. Then whole drawing's over. So yeah, let's just. So yeah, guys, let's just fill up. Starting with the eyebrows. Daddy, do you think I should color this? By my opinion, we should color this. By color, it will look good. So yeah, we're gonna color this in next episode because the video would be too lengthy. And yeah, these hairs are almost done. So yeah, guys, it's almost done. Only the hairs are remaining. And yeah. We'll be doing the hairs with the brush pens. Yeah, guys, almost done. We just have to do it very carefully because I just don't want to mess up. So yeah guys, only these things remain. So yeah guys, here's your Ash Ketchum, which is also known as the Pokemon trainer. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. So yeah, stay tuned and subscribe for more.